On a mundane day, you need something to spice you up, and a spicy chili chicken is what you need. Now let's chop some garlic. You don't have to make it really fine. Now slice some ginger. Red chili is really the essence of this dish. Chop it into rings. After dealing with the seasonings, now it's time to deal with the chicken. We change a chopping board, specifically for raw meat. At this point, I just realized that the bigger knife is in the dishwasher, so I can only slice the chicken with the smaller knife, which is ass. Well, you probably don't want to know how much time it took me to slice all the chicken in the bag. And if you use a bigger knife, it's probably gonna be at least 3 times faster than you use a smaller knife. One reminder of using wok: you have to use water droplets to test if it's actually ready to cook. If the water is bouncing around, it's time to add the oil. Once the oil is hot, dump the ginger in, quickly pan fry it. We want the ginger to be crispy and golden on the surface. That really allows the aroma of ginger to come out. To add all the chicken, to let the chicken fully infuse the flavor of the ginger. Time to dump the garlic in. Add salt, Shaoxing rice wine. Cook the chicken for another minute or 2. Time to add 2 spoons of dark soy sauce for the coloring. And then add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Don't forget to add some MSG for the umami flavor. Add some white pepper. Add 1 tablespoon of fish soy sauce. Now it's time to add the chili. I add a bit of water just to make sure that we don't overcook the chicken. Add a tablespoon of Chinese vinegar to add an extra layer of flavor. Wow, it smells good. Add the coriander. Now the chicken has a very rich body of flavor. Plating time! I can't wait to demolish all of it.